Today we're going to talk about a secret shift, something that needs to happen in your mind. There's this thing called a vending machine. You familiar with that? You put money in, press a button, things come out. When you talk to people about your business and tell you what you're doing is not working, it's because they have a vending machine mentality. And I'm going to put words into it to help you figure it out. Hello there and welcome back. Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Today we're going to talk about a secret shift, something that needs to happen in your mind, and also it's going to help you to, when speaking with spouse or friends that tell you, hey, what are you doing with coaching? What are you doing with your business? Should you get a job? Should you get something else? And we get this pull from people. It's because they don't understand what you understand. And I'm going to put words into it to help you figure it out. There's this thing called a vending machine. You familiar with that? It's a machine, it's plugged into the wall, you put some money into it, you press a button, some candies, chips, bonbon, whatever comes out of the machine. You put money in, press a button, things come out. If you put some money in and something's not coming out, you start to bang the machine, you want to call the numbers, it's broken, it's not working. Now, when you talk to people about your business and they have a job, and tell you what you're doing is not working, is because they have a vending machine mentality, which is they put money in, press a button, something comes out. It's called a job. They put their time in, they press the button of time doing the activity they need, and they get a paycheck. And so if they put their time in and don't get the paycheck, this says this machine is broken. So now this is the mindset or the way that they're seeing things and perceiving things in life. Now you have a business. And with a business, it's totally different. A business is like a farmer. The farmer needs to buy the land, then he needs to buy seeds, then fertilizer, then needs to buy a big tractor, then build a barn, and then plant all summer long, work all summer long, and in the fall comes the harvest. And with the harvest comes enough money to pay for some of all the expenses. Notice I said some of all the expenses. Not all of them. And you need to put some aside for the next season so you can have money to buy the seeds and fertilizer again. So you see the concept of having a business is the mentality of a farmer. You need to invest and put things in, sweat equity, money, time, and it's not coming out. And so when you say what you're doing to someone that has a vending machine mentality, they don't understand you. That's why there's this disconnect. But I welcome you to use this story and explain to people that have jobs what it is that you do using this analogy. It will ease their burden. They will understand. They will have a shift from, oh, now I get what you're doing, and maybe even support you as a bonus. Nevertheless, you too will understand that sometimes when we're doing business, we're putting some time, some effort, buying some courses, spending thousands. I spent over $200,000, so you don't have to, in order to educate myself at a higher level. But yes, I've made way more money than that, but not at first. I had to plug it in. I had to buy the seeds, the fertilizer, the tractor, and build the barn, and then not harvest only at the end of the year. But that's the way that a business works. It is the farmer's mentality compared to the mentality of putting some money in, pressing a button, and getting things out. Vending machine, that's for a job. Ponder upon this and know that when you're doing your business and you're putting time, money, investing so much out of you into the business and it's not giving back right away, remember you're a farmer. And the more you do plant, the bigger the crop will be. Because the next year you plant a bigger crop, and then the next year a bigger crop, and then next year a bigger crop. And what happens is that in one harvest, you will make more money than someone that's been laboring all year long with a vending machine. Is it possible? Yes, it is. Many have done it, and you're on the path to do it. I encourage you to keep moving forward and taking those necessary steps to make it happen. Find out from experts, people that know, myself even, or someone else, what needs to be done in order to transfer the knowledge that you have here into something that make your business fly. Make it happen. I believe in you. I know you have it inside of you, and I root for you from the sidelines. Continue to plant the seeds, to nurture them, and buy the heavy-duty tractor to actually create the big harvest that you want and that you deserve. The only way to stop is if you quit. If you don't quit, success, like my friend Christian Michelson says, is inevitable. If you do the work and you work on yourself, time is the only variable. Success is inevitable. Share this with some of your fellow entrepreneur friends that sometimes might be discouraged, to give them a little boost. And subscribe to the channel and make sure that you ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I make these videos like this to help you, because I believe in you. You know, you want to have gold medal results? Well, in order to do so, you have to become the 1% and do what 99% of the people won't. And that's not having the vending machine mentality, but being the farmer mentality. Make it happen. This is Francois from howtobecomemore.com, and reach out to me if you need. Until next time, have a good one.